in Bangkok. Bangkok? Sorry, Hong Kong. Just giving you a recap of what we did yesterday. We flew in from Bengaluru. We had a layover in Bangkok. We came here. We checked into a hotel. We got an early check-in. We didn't pay for it, so that was the best part. We relaxed in our room, went strolling around our hotel, went to Avenue of Stars, Symphony of Lights, and we came back and called it a day. Also did a little bit of souvenir shopping. So today we are going to the Victoria Peak. We're taking the tram and going. We've booked everything through Klook. We were supposed to be there at 7 in the morning.
And we are going to be there at 7 in the morning, guys.
It's 10 o'clock right now, but come on, we're on a vacation, so we all slept. So we're going to Victoria Peak and we're also doing the Ferris wheel today, so we're super excited. So come along with us. Off we go, guys, to the metro station, which is right outside our hotel. Chimsa Chui is Chimcha Chui. Chimsa Chui. Chimsa Chui. Guys, even on the staircase when you're walking, like you have to walk down from your left and people will come up from the right. Guys, we've been walking since 10 minutes, up and down steps, climbing bridges, getting down. We still haven't reached. It's around 600 meters, but around 20 minutes from here.
Yes.
You gotta walk a lot. But the connectivity is amazing. Amazing. Guys, after a long walk, we have reached here. Guys, so we landed yesterday, so we were quite tired, so we woke up a little late. But I would suggest please wake up early. We're here at 10 o'clock and it's quite crowded. So we're waiting for the peak tram to come. And the ticket was seamless. Just scan your QR and go ahead.
We got it on Klook.
Guys, so we are sitting in the peak tram. It was crowded, to be honest. Not very crowded actually. Even though the crowd was so much, we actually got in 10 minutes. Let's see how it goes. It's damn cute. So this is how it looks. This place is actually so cute, guys. It actually reminds me of Genting Highlands for some reason. So we've booked the peak tram ticket and the Sky Terrace ticket. So we are heading there. Hi guys, so we have reached at the top and the view is absolutely stunning. Should you do this? 100% yes. And don't forget to buy the ticket to the Sky Terrace. Otherwise you will not get this view. And it's so cloudy. It's like our head is literally inside the clouds. So this is the view, guys. It's so cloudy today and I'm actually so happy about it because my head is literally in the clouds. My husband is here. Come here. I want him in the frame. It's so romantic.
Yeah.
Guys, so we are at the top now on the Sky Terrace and you can see the peak tram from here. I've zoomed in quite a bit for you guys, but let me zoom out and show you how high we are. Yeah, that's how high up we are. And that's the peak tram that you see there. Hi guys, so we are at Shake Shack, which is in the same mall as the peak tram. We've ordered a chicken shack and cola and crinkle cut fries. So we're going to eat here and then probably head to the Ferris wheel. And the 3 items costed us 110 Hong Kong dollars, which is about 1300 rupees. Hi guys, so we ate at Shake Shack, took the tram ride back down, and we are now in bus 15C heading to the Ferris wheel, which is the observatory wheel of Hong Kong. Super excited, and I think it's just 2 stops from here by bus.
Yes, it is.
So guys, this is similar to one of the country that we went to. I don't remember which one. If you do not press the stop button or ask the driver to stop, your stop will actually go. So if you're going by bus, make sure to press the stop button or tell the driver to stop when you reach. Otherwise, you will miss your stop. We did not miss ours because I did some research before coming. So guys, we've reached the Ferris wheel, and again we've booked this on Klook, so we already have the tickets. Guys, so it's our turn now to go in the wheel. Guys, the view is crazy, like crazy. This is the Ferris wheel. This is the view. Hi guys, so there's this street called Toy Street here in Hong Kong. So we're going there to just see and explore and see what it's all about. So we took a bus again from the Star Ferry bus, and there are 2 stations by the way, and in both the stations bus number 15 comes, but check which station you have to climb from. So yeah, we are heading there now. Hi guys, so we just finished the Ferris wheel ride. It was beautiful. The view is stunning. You can see literally every place in Hong Kong. It's a 15-minute ride. It goes for 3 rounds. Very slow, very peaceful, very nice.
You get enough time. You get enough time.
Yeah, to soak in the views. Hi guys, so we are in McDonald's. We came to have burger, fries. Honestly, it's not good. Luckily, we carried bread, butter, and some cup noodles from India. So we're gonna go back home and eat that. Go back to our room. McDonald's is not gonna be your savior. So from here we are heading to this place called Vision Bakery, where you get this tiramisu croissant and a lot of amazing desserts, and we're going to take a tram to go there. So let's go. Guys, so this is the tram, and we're going to take the next tram that comes from this side of the road. And you can use the same travel card, which is your Octopus card, for the tram, buses and the MTRs here. So yeah. Hi guys, so we are sitting in the tram now, and it's so cute. We're sitting on top. Damn cute. Hi guys, so we have come to Vision Bakery. So they have tiramisu croissant and pistachio croissant, which both were not available today. So we ended up buying a brownie cup. So we're gonna taste this now. Very gooey, very sweet. Very good, very good.